Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to keep our Android series going, and we're going to show you a little bit about the Android Virtual Device Manager, or your Android emulator. So it's what you're going to see on your screen as sort of like a virtual Android device that you can actually play around with your app and test it out, and you can build several of these different emulators if you'd like for different OS versions or different phone sizes or whatever, just to see how your app performs. So to get started, we're going to create our first digital device, our first emulator. So to do this, we're going to go to this button right here. There's two little Android buttons in here. This one on the left is for downloading and adding on software. It's the Android SDK Manager. And here is the Android Virtual Device Manager. It's the one on the right. It looks like a little phone with an Android head in it. So we're going to click on that. And if you'll notice, mine says no AVD available. So naturally, we're going to want to click New. And here is your AVD name. And notice how you have, I'm just naming this Level Up for now. You can actually set the target for your Android, your target here. You can set the internal storage. You can do all sorts of stuff if the hardware keyboard is present, which ours it will be because we have an actual keyboard on the computer. However, I want to actually click this device, and it's actually giving us all of these device pre-samples. We have like a 4-inch phone. We have, just general sizes all the way up to like a 10.1-inch tablet, the Nexus 1, the Nexus S, the Galaxy Nexus, and the Nexus 7. Since I want this to emulate my phone, I'm going to pick the Galaxy Nexus, and this is going to be a copy of sort of what the Galaxy Nexus layout will be like in the phone emulated. So we're going to click OK, and now we have our AVD. If we click Start, and it's going to give you some launch options. You can have it to scale display of the real size. Notice how the real size is 720 by 1280. If you have a small computer monitor or something, this might blow out the size of your monitor. It might be way too big. So only check this if you know your screen can handle it. I'm not even going to bother checking it because I don't really care. So I'm going to click Start, and this is going to boot up. So as you can see, it's going to take some time here, but this is actually booting up Android in 4.2, I believe. Yep, it's using 4.2, and this is going to perform just like a normal Android device. It's just emulated on your computer. So just sit tight and let it boot up. Sometimes it takes a little while. So as you can see, here's our device, and it's cool because you have these basic controls. You can turn your volume up or down. It's going to adjust it just like it will on the phone. This is actually telling me, it's booting up like it's my first time on the device. So it's exactly like what you would have, with a normal Android device. You hit the home screen, it's going to bring in your apps here, and you can see it's a little slow. Sometimes your computer has to get used to it a little bit, and it'll speed up. But generally, when you install an app on here, it's going to just install it on this home screen, and you'll be able to click it and open it just like any other app on this Android phone. It's funny because even if you click on the browser here, it's going to open up your web browser as if you were on an Android phone itself. And as you can see, it even takes me to Google. So this is functioning just like an Android device would. Okay, so this is our Android virtual device, and in the next lesson, we're going to get over, we're going to add some basic text onto our home screen, we're going to add a button, and then we're going to boot it up into this virtual device, and it's going to be really cool because you're going to get to play around with it, and it might not do a whole lot right now, but it's still going to be an app. So, as always, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts. If you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment in the video or hit us up at Twitter at Level Up Tuts. Thanks for watching. Bye.